Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Opera browser on Redmi 12. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Here in the top search find Opera browser. And you should be able to see the install button just like that. Click on it. When it's ready, you'll be able to open this app. And here's a little setup. You can enable or skip notifications. I'm gonna enable them. There's always browse safely. Set Opera as a default browser to always protect your data, block ads, and save time online. And you can do it by clicking right here. You can also skip it by clicking in the top right corner. I'm gonna set it as a default browser. And here you can allow to provide Opera with personalized experience. We would like to collect the data. So this will, if you allow this, then Opera will send data of what you're browsing, I guess, and you can allow or customize these permissions like that. And now the browser is ready. You can open any website and let's try it. As you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.